Welcome to the level 50th floor in 5002 of Marina Bay Sands. This is a deluxe sky view room. Here's the toilet. It's a very simple one because it's a deluxe category, right? So we only have one sink. And then there's the toilet. If I'm not wrong, they don't have the silent... Let me try. Yeah, correct. They don't have the silent... What do you call it?
Soft close.
Soft close, correct. Soft close. Not very comfortable because sometimes you close it then will cause a bit loud. So they have...
the dental kit here, the comb, body milk, and tissue box, and the soap. And yeah, some basic shower cap, hair tie, fowler, cotton bud, cotton pad, sanitary pad. If I'm not wrong, inside there's two. Some towel, and some towels at the bottom.
Yeah, the towels. They don't have the rain shower. They only have like the normal shower head. And then they have the wardrobe. The safe is here, and then we have a portable mirror. And then the hair dryer is here. And laundry bags. And the shoe meat. And inside this is the... Oh, my clothes are already in there because I don't want it to be crumpled. Bedroom slippers. And then they have the rope. And then an extra pillow inside. Okay, and then they have like the ironing board. And then we have the Nespresso machine. And a little kettle over here. They have 4 capsules. 2 flavors. Tokyo Vivalto and Surfer, okay? I don't know how to pronounce, but you know, people who drink coffee will know. And here they have some tea. It's a complimentary tea. Some snacks, some nuts. Refillable once a day. Little fridge over here. And those are complimentary as well. And they have a huge ass TV here. Sorry, pardon my language, but this is a very huge, humongous, giant, gargantuan TV over here. So, can you see my body is here? This is how big the TV is. Okay? And they have some like cupboards over here, empty cupboards. And then we have a king size bed. Ooh, la 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 la. Okay, I'm going to request for foam pillows later. Yeah, and they have complimentary water bottle, 6 per day. Welcome. Oh, sorry, it's a bit messy here because we bought like the bread just now. And so this is like the working desk area. Okay, maybe you can use it as a vanity area. But usually I'm doing like here because you have to like bend and no, it's like very far, so you have to bend. Not very user friendly. But I think it's more of a work area because they have the hello mushi mushi, the telephone there, and then the charging ports. Yeah, so they have charging ports here. And then this is the rest area. There's another huge, it's another gigantic TV. And we have this amazing view. We are at 50 stories high. It's quite a high ceiling lah, huh? High floor to ceiling. Is it, Mama? Is it high floor to ceiling? Okay. And then here there's another mirror. So you can, make up already and you go and check here. Or if you want, you can see here, do the makeup. Also can. Okay, and then we have a chair, and we have like sofa, and we can have our snacks here. And then we can sit down there and look at the big TV. And then eat our snacks. Cup noodle. Okay, that's about it. It's a good room. And maybe, we can do some TikTok over here. And then if I was you, okay, And yeah. And last bin here, I forgot, it's very important. The last bin is over here, dustbin. Okay, and yeah, I think that's about it. We'll have a great stay. Arigato gozaimasu.
What
Deluxe à?
Play the ping pong. 머리고 빼기에서 춤춰 you dumb dumb. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Watch me while I work it out, work it, work it. 약속이 깨지면 모두 멈춰. Level, check it out, check it out, check it out. Oh my gosh, don't you know I'm a savage? Get me now, tick, 나를 잡아.
faster lah oi. Be careful ah.